Hey, what's up guys? Sloth King here. Today, we're back working on the 7M. So today, I anticipate getting the rear main seal on. So I have to do something a little bit sketchy with the rear main seal. So I'm going to support the engine with the jack stand, and then I have to disconnect these two mounting points so I can put the seal in. It's gonna be a little sketchy, but I think it'll be fine. I'm doing this first before putting the head on, so that way the engine is a little bit lighter. That way it's not as sketchy. So anyway, I'm gonna put the new seal in, and then we're gonna try to pop this thing on. Let's get to it. Okay, so I have the rear main seal, well, crankshaft plate. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm going to remove the old one. This might be a little bit difficult since it's not on the vehicle, but let's just see. All right, so there's a metal ring right here. I'm just going to place my mini pry bar there. I'm gonna put my foot here. I could use a vise, but I don't think it's gonna be that hard. Let's see if, oh, perfect. Now I'm gonna do the opposite side. And I'm just gonna hit that too, find the metal ring. And then I think I can literally just pop it out right here. There we go. That wasn't too bad. That was a lot easier than I was anticipating. So you don't need a vise to get it out. Now it's time to clean this thing. And then while you're here, take off your old gasket material. Now, my gasket set did not come with one of these. I triple checked, so I'm gonna have to use some RTV or that Toyota FIPG sealant, which I'm totally fine with because I know that stuff is going to be pretty good. That is all taken care of. Now we can install the new oil seal. You're gonna use a little bit of this assembly grease since I already have it. You can also use just some regular oil too. That'll be totally fine. Just wanna make sure this is all lubricated so the seal does not rip when it goes in. It'll also make it easier to put the seal in. I'm going to add just a dab around the edges. Nothing insane. Now from here, we can actually use our old seal to guide it in place. Going to grab our block of wood, apply even pressure. Actually, I'm going to do it off of the table. That looks good. Now I gotta prep this. Okay, now I'm going to support the front of the block with my jack. I'm going to loosen this, unbolt these, swing it up, and then put the new seal on. Do not try this at home, guys. Now it is probably going to ooze out on the sides, which I'm okay with. I'll just wipe it up. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some assembly lube on the back crank. I got all the surfaces 100% clean. So let's install. Let me line up our dowel pins and push it on. We put our 5 bolts in. Now these get torqued down to 9 foot-pounds or 108 inch-pounds. It's gonna be a little difficult to install. I'm gonna tighten it uniformly. Working my way around, that way the gasket material can lay down as flat as possible. You will start to see the sealant seep out a little bit, and that's good. That's what we want. Now I'm gonna have to tighten this down by feel, which I don't like. I don't really have a choice either. So I'm gonna tighten this top one and get a feel for whenever it clicks. All right, it's all good to go. Now I can start to install this stuff All right, the rear main seal is on. This bolt is torqued down. I kind of had to guess with these other ones, but by feeling, it felt pretty tight. So there you go. That's how you install a rear main seal on a 7M. If you guys like this video, go ahead and leave a like. Subscribe to see more videos like these. Peace out, guys.